In this video, I will show you how I made this long reach clamp. And I used steel threaded rod, and the depth of this clamp is 16 inches and the height is 4 inches. But because I used threaded rod, you can change the height and put this one in, and then it'll change to the height of 11 inches. So there, now I've switched the pipe over to the 11-inch height. You can change it to whatever size you need. So check your hardware store and see what size pipes they carry. Now I will show you how I made it. I went to Home Depot and I picked up some galvanized pipe, and these two pieces are 18 inches and they're all 3/4 inch. A piece of threaded rod and 2 elbows, and a smaller piece is 4.5 inches. So now what I'm going to do is test the strength of my clamp, what I have so far. So I've used some of my clamps and some blocks to hold my clamp, and what I will do is sit on the end, and I weigh 200 pounds, so that will be a good test. You ready? Mm-hmm. Here we go. Mm-hmm. Help. There you go, my clamp is holding 200 pounds. The next thing to do is to make the handle. So now I'm going to drill the hole for the threaded rod. So now what I'm doing is cutting a slot in the end of the threaded rod, and that'll be for a flathead screwdriver. So now I'm going to put a nut inside the pipe, and it just so happens that the nut fits exactly in the pipe, nice and snug. Now to reduce the friction and to protect the wood, for the pad I'll just put a washer inside here, and now these two pieces can be epoxied together.